What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today working on this Bullitt Mustang. Owner of the car had a rod knock, blew it up. You see there's a milkshake on the ground dripping. We got it up on stands. Goal for today is gonna be drop the K member with the motor and trans on it straight out the bottom here. And Dad's working in the shop, so I don't have space to push this car into the shop, so we're outside, which kind of sucks, but whatever. So got the battery out. This little connector here doesn't want to loosen, so it looks like I'm gonna have to pull the whole harness and just flip it over the fender, start draining fluids, or what's left of fluids, and get this thing popped out before it gets dark. All right, don't mind my feet up here, but we got everything taken apart, getting ready to pull the intake, and then we can start dropping the K member and everything. So go ahead and lift up. Where am I stuck? You got to lift the front forward. There you go. Holy. Well, folks, I found a problem here. This piece of connecting rod right here. Look at that bolt. It's tooted. Hey, give me that. All right, guys, we're back. Day 2. Gonna get power steering, reservoir, pump, AC pump, lower radiator hose, all out of the way, and then should be able to drop this motor right to the pavement. Everything in the back is disconnected enough to give us room for the cradle to drop, and that really should be it. All right, guys, update. Got the AC compressor off, got the power steering pump up and out of the way, lower radiator hose is off. I ended up pulling all the pulleys, all the accessory pulleys, idlers off the front. The whole wiring harness for the top side of the motor, injectors, coil packs, all that stuff. And then the lower harness that runs around, it grounds to the block on the driver's side, and then the passenger side runs back to the starter. That's all disconnected. All right, so we're jacking the front of the car up very sketchily, as you can see. Gotta pull these jacks out, drop the car down onto this pallet, and then am I off? Nope. Well, yeah, because the jack's not moving. You gotta give her a kick. There you go. Oh, she's maxed. You're gonna need another block. Yeah, this'll not kill anybody. All right. right, we clear? All right, let her down slow. Here she goes. It's gonna break that board. It's gonna break this board. Go ahead and keep her going. Keep her going. Oh my Lord.
That's professional.
She's not touching down there. Waiting for the boards to give out and let it fall the rest of the way. All right, so take her slow. This is some hill jack. Oh, all right, give her a little bit. All right, stop. Go a little bit. All right, stop. Go a little bit more. Going. All right, hold on. All right, well, it's out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this down a ways. Oh, all right. Put some jacks under the frame and she's gonna sit here for a while. All right, guys, day 3. Obviously yesterday we used the tractor to pull the engine into the shop. I'm gonna try and get as much of this crap swapped over to that motor today because apparently the landlord is complaining about the car sitting out there like that. But well, this is how my life goes. Freaking getting ready to drop the motor down onto the tire so I can pick that up and move it outside. And it breaks my catch bin, and now I have a big old mess. And you can see what this stuff looked like. Well, this is the transmission fluid, or what was supposed to be transmission fluid. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up now. As you can see, I've got the chain, and I've got a car, and I've got a lawnmower. And this car needs to go in that door. So we're gonna try and figure that out. I'm gonna go make space in there and see what I can do. working with a little bit of limited space here. But basically, I had to get the back of the car perfectly lined up with the trailer because on the front of the tractor, it won't turn. So I'm gonna put this in a time lapse, see how long it takes me. All right, I've come up with a plan. So the car's on jack stands and the crash support bar is just high enough for the tractor to go underneath it. And no, I've already checked. It doesn't go back far enough to touch the radiator. And the coolant, or the trans cooling lines, power steering cool, I don't know, whatever lines those are, don't touch either. So we're good. Already checked. You can't see. Anyway, strap the car to the tractor, jack it up, pull the stands, put the front of the car back down on the tractor right there. It's gonna crush my little intake elbow a little bit, but that's okay. I'm not too worried about it. And we're gonna try and push it with the tractor into the trailer. So let's get after it. I'm honestly blown away that this even worked. But it worked.
Alright, we gotta start to close the side door before we forget.
Oh, bro, look at my lock.